Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your name on Frollo's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your name on Frollo's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Frollo application. Enter your Frollo's passcode and the home page of Frollo's account will appear on the screen. Click on profile icon at the top left corner of the page. On the next page, tap on your current name. Edit your name and tap on tick mark icon. This is how you can edit or change your name on Frollo's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.